Very good morning to all of you. In previous video lecture, we have seen what are the different general characters of viruses. Now, dear students, in this video, we will discuss about the tobacco mosaic virus or TMV. Well, this is a very familiar term, TMV. Okay, actually in plants, the viruses causes some diseases, and the virus which causes the diseases in tobacco plants is known as tobacco mosaic virus disease. From the ancient period, in case of human being also, two common diseases, that is smallpox and yellow fever. But these are very old diseases. They are present in the ancient period. It is found that these diseases are caused by viruses. In the same manner, in case of plants also, some viruses they causes the plant diseases. It is reported that more than 100 plant viruses are known which causes the different diseases in the plants. And due to the diseases of this plant, the yield of the crop is lost, and it is found that the tobacco mosaic virus has been studied most extensively in the laboratory as well as in the field. This virus actually it is discovered by Ivanovsky. This is the Ivanovsky in 1892. It isolated the viruses from the infected tobacco plants. But in 1935, one scientist, and the name of the scientist was Stanley, he isolated these viruses in the form of crystalline. Means, next thing, that is the viruses particles. How is the particles? As I have told you in previous lecture, the particle of the virus is known as virion. And when this virion infects the plants, tobacco plants, it shows the following symptoms. Number one, the chlorosis of the leaves occurs, the curling of the leaves occur, mottling of the leaves occur, dwarfing of the plant, distortion and blistering of the flowers, development of necrotic areas on the leaves, and the appearance of mottled dark area and light green area are also seen on the leaves. So beside this, in plants there are large number of diseases which are caused by viruses. Potato mosaic virus, yellow vein mosaic virus of bhendi, yellow mosaic virus of beans, manchit of banana, leaf curl of papaya. These are some diseases which are caused by viruses in plants. Next thing, actually, how is the TMV particle or tobacco mosaic viruses? The TMV particles appears bundle of rods or needles. You see here, I have shown in this diagram. Okay, TMV particle appears bundle of rod or needles. Each rod has, this is the length, 3000 angstrom in length and 170 angstrom in diameter. This is the size of the rod. This particle composed of protein coat and nucleic acid. This is the nucleic acid. See here, this spiral structure is nucleic acid. This is the nucleic acid, and this is the protein coat. This is the protein coat. And next slide. You see here the percentage of protein coat. The protein coat capsid is made up of protein subunit called the capsomers, and the protein coat subunit is known as capsomers. Each capsomer consists of long chain of amino acid. So here you can say that the capsomers are made up of amino acid and they are present in the long chain. The capsomers are helically arranged around the central single stranded RNA. Okay, so here these are the capsomers. They are arranged on the RNA helically. Okay, so this is the capsomers. They are arranged helically on the RNA. The percentage of protein and nucleic acid ratio is 94.4 raised to 5.6. Means here the protein percentage is 94.4%, while the percentage of nucleic acid or RNA is 5.6%. Here the percentage of protein is very larger as compared to the nucleic acid. As the tobacco mosaic virus is having RNA as a genetic material, so these viruses are riboviruses. Riboviruses. Okay, next thing, that is the genetic information necessary for the formation of TMV is in the form of RNA. Here the naked RNA is capable of infecting the tobacco plant. Okay, so here when only the RNA is present, they can capable of infecting the tobacco plant. Means without protein, only RNA is responsible for infecting the tobacco plant. Because this tobacco has, see here, two functions. One is self-replication and protein synthesis. So this is the function of the RNA. And inside the host cell, RNA synthesis and its own protein. Means the RNA synthesize its own protein. Okay. The next thing, that is the in university examination, how the questions are asked. So see here, this is the question 1. Write short notes on TMV or tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, this question is asked for 5 marks. Besides this, sometimes in examination the full form of TMV is asked for 1 marks. Who discovered the TMV particles? TMV is isolated in crystalline form by which scientist? So in this manner the question may be asked in the structure. Okay, so dear student, here we are seeing that, okay, for the prevention of the viruses, we can use 3% trisodium phosphate or so. With these two things, cleaning of hand can eliminate or can destroy the viruses. And one important thing, okay, it is also reported that for the destruction of viruses, the infected material or infected instrument, the infected thing should be autoclave or boiled at 120 degree centigrade. Above this temperature, the virus does not exist or they cannot live. It is also reported that the viruses in herbarium sheet in tobacco plant can live for 50 years. After 50 years, they can again infect the plant when they are present in the herbarium form. So we can say that it is alive for 50 days, 50 years, 50 years they can alive in the dry leaves or in the herbarium. So this is all about the tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, generally in examination this TMV is asked for short notes. Okay, thank you.